How to delete your CarX Street account. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you're trying to find a way to delete your CarX Street account, then the process is quite easy, so let's get started. First of all, launch open CarX Street game on your device. Once you're inside the home page of CarX Street, go to the top left corner and tap on the menu button. Now, select the sync icon from the top of the screen and you will see a delete account button at the bottom left. Tap on it, and on the next page, you need to go ahead and enter your password. Remember, after you delete your account, all of your CarX ID data will be erased. All of your progress, cars that you've bought, in-game currency, and content from all the games that your CarX ID was used for will also be deleted. The in-game purchases can be restored. If you agree to all of these, go ahead and type in your password and then click on the confirm button. Follow through the on-screen instructions and you'll be guided further and you will be able to delete your account for CarX Street. So that's it, that's the process. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.